This MsMk 7-inch small frying pan is like a trusty sidekick in your kitchen. It is small and mighty, perfect for whipping up single-serving meals or tasty omelets. The carbonized surface acts like a shield, making it non-stick and scratch-resistant. So, your eggs will glide like figure skaters on ice. And cleaning up is a breeze, not a chore. This omelette pan is PFOA-free and non-toxic, which means you can cook with peace of mind. It suits various cooktops, including induction, ceramic, and gas. The MsMk 7-inch small frying pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly every time. It is a great addition to your kitchen utensils and supplies. If you are looking for a reliable small skillet, the MsMk 7-inch small frying pan is a strong contender. Its features make cooking easier and more enjoyable. While it is just one of many pans in the store, its compact size and non-stick abilities make it stand out. You can find its ASIN on the product page for easy reference. We welcome your feedback on this excellent kitchen tool. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, PFOA-free, non-toxic, scratch-resistant, induction-ready, for ceramic. Cooktops, for gas cooktops, small size. 7-inch. Good for omelets, carbonized cons. Non-stick might wear, PFOA-free is good, non-toxic feature, scratch-resistant claim, induction. Cooktop only? Egg skillet specific, ceramic cooktop use? Gas cooktop use? Durability unknown, handle comfort? Cleaning ease features. Omelette pan, PFOA-free, non-toxic, scratch-resistant, induction-ready, egg skillet. Ceramic cooktop, gas cooktop. The MsMk 7-inch small frying pan is a non-stick omelette pan that is PFOA and toxin-free, making it a safe choice for cooking. Its carbonized surface is scratch-resistant, so you don't have to worry about damaging it with your cooking utensils. This skillet is designed for making eggs and omelets, and it works on induction, ceramic, and gas cooktops. It's a convenient and versatile pan for everyday cooking. This 7-inch MsMk frying pan is designed for small cooking tasks like making omelets, featuring a non-stick surface that is also carbonized, and is PFOA and toxin-free for safe cooking. It's scratch-resistant and compatible with induction, ceramic, and gas cooktops. The small size makes it easy to store. However, the non-stick coating might wear out over time, and information about its long-term durability, handle comfort, and how easy it is to clean is not provided.